Hello, I'm Nadia McLeod from Emery Legal Kits, and we help businesses cut their legal costs with our online template kits. If you're planning to hire a consultant or to offer your services as a consultant, you need to be able to draft an agreement as the basis of the relationship. Consulting is increasingly becoming an integral part of today's business world, and to get the most out of the money you spend on consultants, you must ensure that your needs are clearly defined and expectations are transparent. Equally, if you are offering your services to another party as a consultant, then a professionally drafted agreement delivers a good impression and enhances your value to the other party. The Emery Consultants Agreement ensures that you've addressed the terms that are essential to establishing a professional consultancy relationship. These agreements are easy for all parties to use and understand. For more information on our Consultants Agreement template, follow the links below.